In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dripping effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select the subject. With the selection still active, click the Layer Mask button to hide the rest of the image, keeping only the subject visible. Rename this layer as Subject. Now drag and drop the paint drip image onto the canvas. Position it over the subject as shown. Make sure the paint drip layer is selected, then choose the Magic Wand tool. Click on any black color area of the paint drip image to create a selection as shown. Then press Ctrl, Shift and I to inverse the selection. Next, select the Brush tool, open the Brush menu, and under General Brushes, choose the Hard Round brush. Select the layer mask of the subject layer. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. You can use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. With the selection still active, brush over and erase only the bottom part of the subject that falls under the paint drip selection as shown. Once you're done erasing, press Ctrl and D to deselect. Now hide the paint drip layer. Next, select the Move tool and drag the subject slightly to center it. Add a gradient adjustment layer. Click the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. Under Basics, choose the black to white gradient. Double-click this color stop right here to open its color picker, and change the color to red. And click OK. Again OK. Set the style to radial, enable reverse, and set the scale to 325%. And click OK. Drag the gradient layer below the subject layer. Create a new layer above the gradient layer. Select the Brush tool. Open Brush menu. Under Genera Brushes, choose the Soft Round brush. Drag this top node downward to adjust the brush shape as shown. Use bracket keys to adjust brush size. Open the color picker and pick a dark red color. And click OK. Now click once as shown to create a shadow. Rename this layer as Shadow. Reduce the shadow layer's opacity to 60%. And that's it. You've successfully created a dripping effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.